I think what upsets me the most about this argument is the fact that so many parents, when they're asking questions about deregistering the child, will mention social services. So many parents seem to actually believe this and believe that social services are automatically contacted as soon as you deregister your child. That is not the case. It very rarely is the case. They are like the outlier cases here and there. 9 times out of 10, you deregister, the school follows the law, and you don't hear from them again. It's only in the very, very rare cases where the school may bear some sort of grudge or they go on the defensive that they may make a malicious complaint to social services. But social services is usually quite on the ball in that instance because they're so used to it now. So it doesn't tend to go any further than that. Unless there's a real reason to suspect abuse. If you deregister, you do not automatically get referred to social services. And this is a belief that I think sometimes holds a lot of parents back. They become scared and intimidated by that prospect. When in reality, that isn't really something you need to be concerned about because social services don't see home education in itself as a safeguarding risk. So it's not treated as a safeguarding risk. And obviously it goes on a case-by-case basis, as with all things. But generally speaking, on the whole, home educating your child doesn't mean that you're going to end up with social services breathing down your neck. That's not how it works.